What you saying, people? Back with a bang. This is the Money Management, back with another video for you guys today. Now, of course, today is Friday, and that means it's Financial Friday. But of course, today is also Friday, 11th of September, and you guys know what that means. If you don't already, there's a reason for the haircut, there's a reason for the suit, the shirt. Today is my birthday. And so, in this video today, I'm going to talk about what I've learned over the past 365 days, some monetary lessons I've learned that hopefully you guys can benefit from, talk a little bit about my channel and what's been happening over the past 365 days, and hopefully you guys just can learn something from this video as always. So the main gifts today, the main aims today are two things. First of all, 50 likes. 50 likes on this video. Give me 50 likes for the suit, give me 50 likes for the haircut, give me 50 likes for the fact that I'm grinding still on my birthday, give me 50 likes for any reason that comes in your mind, just give me those 50 likes today. My most liked video on this channel is 49 likes, so we're trying to beat that. Again, I'll be the first present. The second present, 100 comments. Yes, you guys can do it. 100 comments on today's video. If you've not already commented, if you've not already liked, get to it straight away. I believe in you guys. You guys are great. You guys are amazing. I know you guys can do it. So don't even hesitate. Again, 50 likes, 100 comments. We can do that today. So monetary lessons over the last year. Well, to begin with, I really do hope that I've inspired you guys to change your financial situation in some way, or at least inspired you to do something when it comes to bettering your life. Over the past 365 days, I've done a lot, I've grown a lot, I've become a different person, I've grown through situations, I've tried, many different things. To be honest, this past year is the year I've made the most money, but it's also the year I've tried as many things as possible when it comes to making money. No other year before this as I tried as many things as this year. So there's a lesson in there. If you've not tried a lot of things, the more you try, the more you will succeed. And the reason I'm telling you that is because, as you guys know, if I'm not helping people grow, then I don't think I'm really fulfilling my potential. My full potential really comes from helping other people grow, helping other people get better, improve their lives, improve their financial situation. So again, hopefully I've helped you guys do that in some form or another. So like I said, this year is the year I've made the most money in my life, and that in itself is an achievement. Unfortunately, this year has also been the year that I've learned the most lessons, so you can look at that as fortunate or unfortunate, but like I said, it's the year that I've made the most money in my life. So we're going to talk about a few different things again, which can help you guys going forward. So I do want to say, I've seen a lot of people, not only this past year, and just in general, struggle when it comes to their financial situation. They try and save every single penny as possible. They try so many different methods of, saving money. They try, penny pinching. They try doing so many different things. But what I think people don't realize is sometimes you just need to make more money. And I believe everybody should know how to make more money in multiple ways, at least more ways than one. So I'm also going to give you guys a few proven ways which I've tried this year to help me and help myself make a little bit more money. Of course, you guys can go and try these things. They might work, they might not work for you. Everybody's different, all situations are different. But again, I'm just trying to help you out here. Like I said, some people cut all the costs they can financially and they'll still struggle. Like those kind of situations, you can feel annoyed, you feel upset. I've been in that situation before. So again, like I said, obviously it's very important that you also make more money, learn how to make more money, because that actually is something that really changes your situation. I want to say the main thing I want to focus on right now is that all of you guys should start some sort of business for yourself. Along the line, it doesn't matter if it's now, in the future, I recommend it as early as possible, but create the means for yourself to start some form of business. I'm telling you, that itself is life-changing. You might succeed, and if you succeed, then great. You make thousands of sales in your first few months, thousands of sales in your first few years. That's great. If you don't succeed, don't worry. There's nothing wrong with that. You get a lesson, you learn from it. You learn so much from starting your own business. And I really believe that everybody should have some form of product or service which they can scale. There are enough products out there to sell. There are enough things that you can do to make yourself some money. So again, I believe everybody should have some kind of product or service that they sell, that they use to make themselves some money. Again, if you don't want to start a business, you don't have to right away. But like I said, I'm a really big fan of, helping people out. So just like I said, everybody should have some form of business that they start to help themselves make some money. And if not make some money, then it's to learn some lessons, because you will learn a lot, you will grow a lot, or you will make a lot of money, you make some sales, you can start using that, for life-changing experience. Different things can happen when you start your own business. But again, it's one of those things that I definitely recommend for you guys to do. Now I want to talk about two different things that I've tried in the past year, which have really worked for me. The first one is freelancing. You guys know about Fiverr. If you don't know about Fiverr, go check it out. Fiverr with 2 R's on the end. That's Fiverr. No, I don't get paid to say that. No, I don't get, some kind of endorsement. None of that, but you should check Fiverr out. People will pay for your services. There are enough services out there that you guys have, enough skills you guys have. And people will pay for your expertise. You guys maybe don't believe in yourselves. You guys probably don't think, your skills are worth it. Trust me. If you don't think your skills are worth it, you can learn a new skill. Learn copywriting, learn graphic design, learn how to design logos, learn different forms of art online. There's enough tools out there for us to learn. So as I always tell you guys, use those tools to your advantage, use those tools to your benefit. Fiverr is a great platform. And the more you do these kind of things, the better you'll get at them. Fiverr, like I said, people use Fiverr a lot, but maybe you guys don't use Fiverr a lot. Either way, you should be using it. You should be trying something when it comes to freelancing. Freelancing is a gig that I did a few times over the past year, especially towards the end of last year, 2019. And that was something which actually really benefited me really well. I learned new skills, I tried them out, tried to advertise them, and it worked for me. That's something, again, I believe all of you guys should do. I'm going to talk about the second thing I believe that really is useful for you guys, and that is flipping items. You guys probably, if you've been around here a short period of time, you probably don't know about this, but I used to flip a lot of items, most specifically doorbells. Between September and November last year, I made thousands of flipping doorbells. Yes, doorbells. If you've not seen that already, I'll put a link to a video up here. You guys can go check that one out. But flipping items, not only doorbells in general, make you so much money. Now, there are different ways you can do this. You can use eBay, Amazon, Facebook Marketplace. You can use garage sales on a Saturday morning. You can use Craigslist. You can use so many different things, And the good thing is you can integrate with these websites. For me, it was buying things off eBay and Amazon, selling them on Facebook Marketplace, really quickly getting them moved. For some people, it'll be getting things off Craigslist for free, listing them on Facebook Marketplace. For some people, it'll be getting them off eBay, selling them on Amazon. But either way, flipping is such a great way of making money. For those of you who do not know how to make money, those of you who have not made any money before, please do try flipping out items. If you don't have the money to buy items, go and get things free in your house. So those things are already free because you've already got them. Sell them on for more. For those of you who don't know what to sell, I'll give you a few things I've sold in the past year, which have really worked well. iPhones or phones in general, doorbells, mattress pads, bed sheets, pillows. There's so many different things you guys can try. And I'm telling you, you won't know until you try it. You might buy a phone for $300 and you might only sell it for $290, the first time. But you realize what you did wrong. You realize, why you didn't sell it. Did you list it too short on eBay? Did you list it in the wrong area? Did you not write the specs right? There are so many different things that go into that. You might buy a phone for $400, sell it for $410. If you did, you made profit. There are going to be times you lose money, but once you get it nailed down, once you know how to source it, you're going to make yourself a lot of money from flipping items. So flipping items along with freelancing is something I did over the past year that I definitely recommend to you guys. The funny thing is, even if, or at least for those of you in the US, Walmart and Target, you will find so many gems there. What you need to do is look at some items that you find interesting and just look them up online. Look at the price online, how much they're going for. That itself might make you $30, $40 off a product which costs $100. That in itself might encourage you to buy 10 of those products. And to be honest, generally I just want to say, whatever you do or whatever you want to do, just start, just try it out. Because the good thing is, if you succeed, then amazing. You'll be where you are, you'll be where you want to be. If you don't succeed, that's fine as well. You'll gain valuable experiences, you'll gain more insights, more knowledge. You can build on those kind of things in the future when you go out and attack it again. I'm telling you, from my experiences over the past year, I've learned so much, but just trying things out. You guys have to try things out. Don't be scared, take it from me. Literally 2 months ago, I was looking the other day, some of these videos I was making, 10, 15 views, 2 comments, 3 comments, 2 likes, literally 2 months ago. And now look at every single video, 60, 70 comments, 70, 80 views. Add to that 20, 25 likes on each and every video. This video is gonna hit 50 likes as you guys are gonna do it. But I'm telling you, it doesn't always start off like that. It takes time. It takes a lot of work and effort and continuous grinding. It sometimes takes making videos on your birthday for people just to appreciate what you're doing. You might see the vision and other people might not see it, but it takes time to come into fruition. I'm telling you, it will be worth it, whatever you're trying to do, because you will learn or you will win. And that's the great thing about this kind of thing. So with your YouTube, with your sales, with your business, with your freelancing, with your buying stuff from eBay, from whatever, with whatever you do, just try it out. And I'm telling you, eventually you will see that it was worth it. And now the last thing I want to say is what I've really learned over the past 365 days, over the past year, is learn to also work smarter sometimes. Not always harder, but learn to work smarter. That's helped me so much. I've always been a hardworking person, as you guys can probably see. But sometimes you just need to work a little bit smarter. And working smarter is what actually changed my channel in the last 2 months. Working a bit smarter, doing things a little bit different, not doing the same thing over and over again and working extremely hard. Just working a little bit smarter made the differences that I needed to see the changes I wanted to see. So, hopefully you guys have enjoyed today's message. Hopefully you guys do wish me a happy birthday. Let me know your thoughts on the video in the comment section below. Add to that, please make sure to like if you're new around here. Please make sure to comment if you're new around here. Please make sure to subscribe if you're new around here. Hit that red button below. Lastly, I do want to say, please share these videos with your friends so we get them out to more people, not only to wish me a happy birthday, but so they can learn from my channel each and every day. My aim, as I've always told you guys, is to help at least one person become better each and every day, one person become closer to financial freedom, one person more control of their time, one person on the right path to financial independence, one person closer to success that they want to see. So hopefully I've done that for you guys today in some form. Again, thank you guys so much for the support over the last 365 days. Hopefully it continues. We're almost at 1,100 subscribers now. We are only about 15 off. So that's it. We'll keep going. We'll keep pushing. Add to that, check out those links in the description. We've got cryptocurrency, we've got stocks, we've got affiliate marketing, we've got my smartwatch company. We've got all sorts of stuff going on there. Go check that out again. Now, I'm off to have a great day today. Tomorrow's the weekend, so make sure you guys are back here for that one. But that's it, you guys. Thanks for watching. I've got a birthday to be celebrating. You've got money to be making. See you guys tomorrow for another video. Peace.